Alright, so guys, if you want a legit platform that you can use to make some money, I prefer you guys use platforms like Hela Link, right? Because this platform, they can last for months and months. Leave along this Ugandan investment platform, which promise you return on investment. It's called ROI, or return on investment, which is beyond 10%. Those platforms, to be honest, they can't last for more than 2 weeks in existence. I think you can witness on that if I've been using them. But Hela Link, these are network marketing platform which can last for months. This platform, it's now almost 2 months old. I think it's like 3. Yeah, this platform, they can work for you guys. All you need to do, to be honest with you, you need to be with a large audience of people who follow you. Even though you don't have, you can get them on WhatsApp groups who can join by, because every person that joins the offering, the platform will pay some commission, guys. Right? That's the honest, or that's the bitter truth, guys. You are going to get paid when you refer people. That's all, guys. That's all. If you have people who can join via you, that means you are going to get money into this platform. You can make a lot of money, right? So how does it work? Go create up an account. I'm gonna put the link of this platform into the description. Go create up an account and activate your account with only, you can see here under expenses, it's 1 mutalo gumu mukenda mu bitano. That's the amount that they are gonna ask you, right? Only you need to pay only that, guys, right? So how are you gonna get paid? Now this platform is gonna pay. Let me try to show you here. If I go to my email, I want to show you how much I'm going to get paid for a successful invite, right? Let me try to put Hela Link. Oops, is this called Hela Link? Yeah, sure, it's called Hela Link, because I want to show you, because this is level 2 earning. So this is level 2. On level 2, you'll be getting 5k, right? But on level 1, I've been getting emails from Hela Link. That's what I want to show you here. Let me try to search for those emails. Hela Link. I'm getting only one. I don't know. I'm getting just one. Which email am I using? It's the same email. Let me try to see. This is the email that I used onto this platform, right? Let me try to see. Yeah, it's the same. As you can see, I have 8 people. So every person that joins you with your link, the platform is going to pay you omutwalo gumu mu bitano. Right? Let me first close up this page. I try to open it once again. I think the network has been slow. Let me try to log in once again to my account, guys. I want to show you something, right? Let me try to log in again. I show you. Oops, it's network, I think. Let me try to log in. If I come to here, then I come where it says team. If I click on level 1, then I click on active, you can see. Yeah, let me try to see the money that you get paid. All right, here it is. You see, you get 1,500 for a successful invite, right? If someone joins under your level 1, you get this money. And if the person that joined with your link also invites another person, that means you are going to get paid 5k. It's here. You see, now this person joined with my link, and I was able to get paid 10,500, and then he has also invited another one. As you can see, I've got 5k. That's how this thing works. You can also come right here to team. You go to level 2 active. If you click on active, I think I have only that guy. Into my level 2 earnings, so I have 2 people right here. You see, that's how it really works. So go to tap an account and then activate it. So to get your referral link, you click again where it says dashboard, then you go down right here. This is where you will get your referral link, copy it, and then you share it with your friends. Or you come and send me a message onto my WhatsApp contact. I'll explain to you how I'll give you the skills, what called the tactics that you can use to benefit from them. Right? I think that's it. I sign out.